Hello my friends. Today I'm going to show you how to fix a, a handshake Bob wallet that freezes in a certain block and didn't want to continue that syncing with the blockchain. So follow me, I will show you step by step how to solve this problem. So now I'm in Linux operating system in Fedora. I think this version of Fedora was Fedora about this was Fedora 43. So I'm in Fedora, and those steps I'm going to show you will work in all Linux distributions. Ubuntu, Arch, Pop OS, Kali. They will work in all those Linux distributions. So the first thing you will gonna do, go to your search bar and type homebrew. Go to the first link, which is the brew.sh. Make sure to go to this link there to avoid installing some malicious software. Copy this command, go to your terminal and right click, paste, and hit enter. Enter your sudo password, give them enter to install all these dependencies and programs, and wait until she's installed, and wait until the homebrew was installed. Yeah, she's installed. Now, next steps, run this command in your terminal to add homebrew to your path. Copy that, select it, right click, copy, right click, paste, paste. So paste it and hit enter. Select the second one, right click, copy, right click, paste, enter. The third one, copy, paste, enter. Now it's recommended, very recommended, to install all those things. She says there, install homebrew's dependencies. She's recommended to install this and wait until she's finished the installation and install the GCC too. But I'm going to do something different there. I will try to install the HSD, the blockchain handshake, without installing those tools. So type brew install HSD. Let's see if it will install. I think it's gonna work, but I recommend you to install those dependencies and install GCC too. to avoid getting errors and making Homebrew work smoothly. So until she has installed the HSD. After we install the HSD, she's installed now the HSD. We have two options there. We can run the HSD full node, which will take a lot of storage. Right now she's around the 19 gigabyte of storage, or we can run the HSD SPV mode, which will take way more less than that, around the 300 megabytes or so. So both will work well. The wallet that you have the problem with in Bob wallet will sync, will continue the syncing, and they will finish the syncing, and you will get access to your assets or to your coins. So if you want to run the full node, type HSD and hit enter. If you want to run the SPV node, type HSD space dash SPV dash SPV. Hit enter. Now what we are seeing there was the HSD syncing with the blockchain, which is meaning she's copying the handshake blockchain right now. She's sending and receiving a lot of data. So keep this terminal opened. Don't close this terminal until the syncing was end. So now I'm going to show you how to interact with the blockchain, how to use a graphical user interface tool to interact with the blockchain. You can use that terminal, another terminal, to interact with the HSD blockchain, but it's a bit hard, I think. So I'm going to show you how to use a graphical user interface to interact with the HSD. Keep this terminal opened and go to open a new terminal. Keep it there. Go to your search bar again. Type fire. Type Python env Fedora. Hit enter. UI mode. Okay. Sure, Fedora is the greatest environment virtual. Python suivant. Okay, let's you can type this command there or copy it like that back to your new terminal. Right click, paste, enter. Let's see. We don't get any errors, which means the command was completed successfully. scroll down and active the Python environment. Copy this link or copy this command or type that in your terminal. Back to your terminal, right click, paste, enter. If you see this there, that means you're active or you are in the Python environment, and that's what we want to do. After that, go to your, close this, open new one, close this too. Go to your search engine and type firewallet browser, like that. Go to this link there. Make sure the domain name was correctly this one there, firewallet.o, to avoid installing a malicious software. Okay, go to code. In this website, click on code and they will open his tab there. Scroll down, copy this command there, back to your terminal. In the Python environment, right click, paste, enter. Starting in a supported package manager, please install dependencies manually. Curl, why? Unsupported package manager, bash. So okay, I don't know what's the problem. I think we used curl before. Okay. Let's do it in another way. Back there, copy this link. We will gonna use git to install the firewallet browser. Paste. I click on rest. Paste the command there. I think she's installed. Yeah, here we go. Here it is. Go to the directory, type sd firewallet. You can type that or just type fire and hit tab, enter. We are now in the firewallet browser directory, or just copy sd firewallet browser. They will do the same thing. Now copy this command there to install the requirements for the firewallet browser to work. Right click, paste, enter. Wait until the requirements was installed. I think the ish is still running. She's still in the block. 100,000, yeah. She goes so fast. The SPV node was syncing way more fast than the full node. Full node will take so many hours or days to sync. Depends on the speed of the internet you have, but the SPV mode so much faster than the full node. Back to our terminal there. Yeah, the requirements was installed. Type Python 3 main.py and hit enter. And what we are doing now, we are running a Python we are running the firewallet browser. Yeah, we are running the firewallet browser. You can do curl and click to open this link, or just select it like that and copy. Okay, go to your browser, do paste, hit enter. Now we are in the firewallet browser. You can create a new wallet or import the wallet that you have the problem with, or any wallet you want, but I recommend you to wait until the syncing was completed, because you can receive some errors.
A few moments later, 2,000 years later, one eternity later.
Make it there and make this there. Back to the HSD. Now in the firewallet browser, go to setting and click in rescan. You can see there the HSD version was 8.0.0, type SPV, remote SPV. So go to setting and click rescan to rescan rescan the wallet and see your assets and your domain names. So back to dashboard, and you can see there she's rescanning. Now she's rescanning. You can see this scanning 0.0.0. She's gonna get up and she's gonna rescan. The syncing was 100% and scanning was this percentage. So now she's doing the rescanning of the wallet. Yeah, now she's rescanning. Yeah, now she's rescanning the blockchain, or she's scanning the wallet. So yeah, so that's it for this video. What do I want to say? Yeah, make sure to go to setting in the firewall browser and click in rescan to rescan your wallet. Okay. So guys, that's it for this video. Have a good time and keep naming. See you soon.